It's May 30th, 2016, and this is Beckett's Ideas in Tech. Today we're going to take a look at Mindomo. So Mindomo is a concept mapping or mind mapping software that's cloud-based. It is out there on the internet and it's free for you to use. If you're a teacher in Ontario, then you can get the free premium subscription because this is an OSAPAC licensed software. Mindomo does a great job of walking you through those steps so that you can sign up for the premium. Once you get yourself signed up and signed in, this is where you'll end up, is in the opening menu. If we click create, you're going to see there's lots of different options for us here. You can see that there's templates that are available for us. So let's just take a look at some of these different templates, and I'm just going to click on informational text. And here's some templates that are already available to us. It tells us how we can use that particular template. And away we go. It creates the template here for us, and it'll allow our students to walk through it and break down a character, for instance, in this characterization study. One of the nice things about Mindomo is that we can create this as a mind map assignment, and it'll work very similar to Google Classroom. So you could send out a template to your students. They could then complete the template and turn it back into you, and you would have it all stored in one location. You can also just make a plain old blank mind map. I'm going to call it delete here so that I know to delete it later. And it brings us up to this dashboard here with all of the different information available for us to use in our opener. So we open this up with delete because that was the title that I gave it. From here I can change the fonts if I wanted to. I can change the style of the particular square. I can change the layout of the mind map itself. I can change the shape of this square and put it into a circle if I wanted to. From here I can also insert subtopics. I can insert topics. I can insert, right, like this. Or I can just click onto the screen and I could create new topics and new topics, and then create a new subtopic in that regards as well. All right, now I can also, if I wanted to, off of this main topic, for instance, add a note. So this is a space for a note. I can change the fonts. I can make things bold. I can change the color. I can do all those types of things. Now, it automatically saves to here, and it's notified right there that there's a note. And when I click on it, boom, there comes the note. I can create links. So I could put my own attachments in here and add those to the particular mind mapping subtopic, or it could be pictures from or it could be sites from the internet, those types of things. I can add pictures or videos, and in fact, I could even search for such things like an apple, and I could add an apple into this particular topic. I can add icons so I can tag the individual topic, like this one's very important, so I'm going to put a star on it. And this one here is maybe the first priority, so I'm going to put the number 1 beside it, and you can see that there. I can also add comments. So I'm adding comments. This is awesome. And as a teacher, you could do that for them, and you could say that you like it and those types of things. And now we can see there's a comment attached to this particular subtopic. I can add bookmarks. So these are all things that I can do. I can change styles. I can undo, add relationships. I can do all those things. Really cool. Now, one thing we can do here also is I can bring it down to an outline. So if I click it as an outline, here's what's going to happen. It's going to automatically bring this down into bulleted text and see it that way. And then I can very easily email this to myself or that type of a thing to share that on. If I bring this back out to a mind map, here's my mind map again. Now, another cool thing you can do here is you can do a presentation based on this. So we press the presenter mode, and right now it defaults to one slide. Now I just make the slide however big I want it to be. So I add a new slide. I want it to include these two things here. Boom, that's slide number 2. I want to make a new slide and I want to bring it back out to see the whole picture after I watch those two. Boom, there's slide 3. I want to just show this main topic here. There's slide 4. I can also adjust the order in which I present them. When I press play, now I'm in presentation mode, and you can see these are all the different ways that I just selected the presentation. My notes are all available. My comments are available. All these things that I have are available inside of this mind map as well. And then I just go back into close and away we go. So I can now share this with others. I can allow for guest editing. You could have 2, 3, 4 different people all onto the same mind map. We can just create a link for this to send to people. So we can collaborate, we can work individually, we can work on on constructed templates, or we can construct our own. We can do presentations together, and we can do all of this in cloud-based, auto-saved for us with a free premium subscription because we are an Ontario teacher. So that is Mindomo. And this has been Beckett's Ideas in Tech for May 30th, 2016.